fit ani asese ne din ene your friend say mechanic za na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe
Obibia akaba stronghold edeba to my GH anything so munia ba mercy count na de etsemwa esekuleti ewo omaimu eba ba so mo na Ghana fue before election no course no timu sensem course pa brono bi so de wo mu kese ya chese na wo mu kese ni na ne se amonoko MPP for your margin say wo mu be wie mu ti so mu wie mu dia na chese kese no omabo de atu amonoko ni na enu echi no so ye wo nkrofo ko bi nso a wo mu kopie mu wo cemetery na chese wo mu dia ni say wo mu bompa ye de ama NDC amonoko se na ebe ya abanu anka ebeko edi ama onetiefo sansu na ekoba se chief owo breman in the Suame constituency in Kumasi the din edi bafo kotin Shraman ononso ekopie mu ewo cemetery nani ni na ne se wononso no de ne mpaibo ekwa akota amanyokuo NDC echi se ne ebeya anka abano ebeko edi eyama amanyoko NDC na etiefo nini na echi yenya ye ni tuemu se ena mmode mbo ekwosu dodo na etu wo mmodi si wo ena emu nduabo emu nomie emu cases ne emu mpaibo ayebo wo cemetery ni na yenya ni ebechi emu se nini na echi no papa His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Ekufuado woda MPP amanyoko na no wono na wofa abatu ekoso on the 7th December 2020 na etiefo sa ni ye we ya wo hene no etu wana mo na kromafo no susu se anka omo hire no ni dwumedi a wotu ye se wokobọ mpa ya ma NDC ni de enhawo na emo cemetery wona wo fashion napo efa enwoma bi ko gina wo ebo sampa ye no wo mo susu se weird weird behavior ankoye amfa ama wo mo na eno na ama kromafo no etu wana mo se we die one of the report ekoma papa wo hene wo say tutu just say you na ni mu say sa wo hene di wo di mu akasa wo man yi mu just say one of the report ko de akwa na tiefo ye nhwe senia wo hene bo ne mpaye eni senia kromafo no so no wo ma standing against on hene ya wo mo say wo mo the report kwa opportunity for me fa empire court wo cemetery wo into Japan senia papa yi esi kan nsem unexpectedly instead of praying for Dodovi in his palace the Breman chief rather suggested that Dodovi and his supporters should follow him to the Breman cemetery for special prayers. Bafo Kutin Sraman, who was holding schnapps, reportedly prayed to his ancestors to stand behind Mr. Mahama so that he emerged victorious in the upcoming election. According to the Bremahine, Ghana experienced massive transformation when Mahama was president for a term. Therefore, the NDC leader deserves another term to do more. Na onyenim pai bono. Chese wo susu se mra na Mahama manoko. Amoti omudi wo man yi so no enyoma sakra ye pa. Chese enyoma koye na luti na onimpa ye na wokobo cemetery wono na wo bo ne se ancestors omo beboa no na nka won san fa akonwa no na chese won be tua de dwumedie ne so na tie fa no na Ghana fo se Ohene jamoni mu nya woka dum so e course dodo na emra na eye Mahama amembu okoso wenhu ana petra etutu mu ene chese eye amambu ara enkoye no wenhu ana netifo yentu asani a oni esibo ne mpaye yiso bafo koten Sramai took its time to recount the developmental project of Mr. Mahama and stressed the need for the Breman gods and ancestors to help him win the polls. Therefore, na Mr. Dodovi grateful. One also na oye MP. Wakosia wahine na wahine so pai boni bi ekoma no. Therefore, papa when Daily Guide interviewed Dodovi on phone, he confirmed that the Brahmahini indeed prayed for Mr. Mahama at the cemetery and said he was grateful to the chief. It's a compa say, who be bold, they say, no akobon payama, Mahama, was cemetery, you know, on interview because so I interview, you know, just on ko busa, MP ana what so Mr. Dodovi. Now one also a confirm say also pepe on any bompayama, Mahama was cemetery. According to him, indeed, Ghana experienced massive transformation when Mahama was in political office. Therefore, the chief had not heard for praying for the NDC flag bearer to win the post. Therefore, Kroma na woman so no woman pufu ya na woman so say na woman de woman semo to the youth time bebru omo a woman ti asese wonye no etu anamobon payema Mr. Former President John Dramani Mahama was cemetery, you know, one more reaction and so me and to that. In the related development, a session of the youth at Bremai is said to be brimming with rage after it emerged that their chief had decided to pray at a cemetery for the NDC leader to win the next election. They said they have no qualms about their chief decision to offer its unflinching support for Mr. Mahama, explaining that their only worry is the chief's decision to offer the prayers at the cemetery. Just say, "One more how they say day now, you know, empire now come to baby and name cemetery and almost here any try and more empire." Now the Bremen youth said they would report their chief to the overlord of Asante Mai Otu was said to do number 2 to punish him. It is not in good taste for our chief to march NDC members to our cemetery for special prayers for Mr. Mahama to win the polls, so we shall report him to the Asante Hene. They said, "Therefore, break." And now say one more hene etu anamoko bompaye ma former president cemetery na mbebru a wo sabia ya woni say wo anyom de nanunti no wo betu anamo akwa report say na ebe ya wo hene ebe punish no adwenche wo ho eni say na ni nechi no ebi nso adwenche say we ni na cemetery paibo yi na this amanoko no omanfa akonya nti na wunye ehia ben say wo mutu anamoko bompaye ma this amanoko no was cemetery na open kudindi a cemetery paibo ma nkudindi a eti for wutu ja wadwe nkyere na wan asem de se yeti asi de empire ho enkoda se na titie bia wutu ja wadwe nkyere se na mdi kan boss no your comment section wa pe subscribe to too much se na be dijume de bia tumu awon so weni betue mu bi na wetumi a kire wadwen amunu mu wa na we like share promote too much gh muni aba medical na me di ensem yi ebe so mu na aha ena me di mu besi ye besa ehie bi makra mu